Hello everyone, welcome back to the Quick Tech tutorial. Today for this video of Quick Tech, I will be showing you how to enable language translation option on Facebook posts. So for that, what you need to do is open the Facebook and then get logged in into the account. So what you need to do is open the Facebook and then get logged in into the account first. Now once you have been logged in, you need to go and tap on the three horizontal lines on the top right corner. Tap that. There on this page, you scroll down to the bottom and tap on Setting and Privacy. Then tap on Setting. It will direct you to the Setting and Privacy page of your Facebook account. And on this page, you need to scroll down to the Preference and there you need to tap on Language and Region. Tap that. Here you will have all the options that you can make changes regarding the language setting. So for you to enable language translation option on your Facebook post, all you have to do is tap on that second option, language you would like to have post translated into. Tap that. So the current setting is English. If you want to change it to something else, you can tap on it and then tap on the save icon. This will save the language. With that, you will be able to enable language translation every time to a different language, that is French. Now your post on Facebook will be automatically translated to the French. Similarly, you can make other changes like language you do not want to be offered translation for. You can also choose that as well. If you do not want certain language or your post to be translated to certain language, you can choose the option from here and then tap on Save. Similarly, there's language you don't want automatically translated to and a feature that lets you post multiple language version of status. These are the options available regarding the language setting for your Facebook account. So this is a way how you can enable language translation for your Facebook post. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Quick Tech tutorial. Thank you for watching till the very end.